Introducing an empowered loyalty program for fast-growing small businesses. Did you know, if you boost your customer retention by only 5% using a loyalty program, your revenue can shoot up to 95%? OrderEm loyalty program can easily cut your marketing costs and get you more repeat purchases and customer referrals. Here's how. Go to OrderEm dashboard, and click Loyalty on the sidebar. And set your rewards. Choose location. Name your rewards, choose the redemption method, enter the value of rewards and then set a custom loyalty percentage. Now click on the Settings tab to adjust your loyalty settings. Select the loyalty checkbox to enable these settings. Once you check the loyalty box, the customer list and custom orders list will pop up. Update your loyalty settings and then hit the Save button. Now we move to the Offers tab. You can set multiple offers in multiple locations. Add new offer, update the requirement in terms of the number of rewards, specify the discounts redeemed and activate the offer. And that's how you set up a loyalty program to grow repeat customers. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, contact us on 407-996-6666 or write to us at info@orderem.com.